Dan.
It's Paultons Park time!
I've never been here my entire life! So, if you couldn't tell, if I haven't already made it incredibly obvious, we're at Paultons Park. So far, by the way, I've never been here in my life. We've got on-ride filming going to happen can't even talk English. So today there's going to be on-ride filming. There's going to be me like completely blindsided. I have no idea, I haven't watched any POVs, I have no idea what's here at all. So it's a completely blind view of Paultons Park and I'm very excited.
Storm Chaser's going.
That Storm Chaser, I think, what is it? It's a max spin, is it extreme?
No.
Look at the theming in this shop, like this is mental. Merlin, what the hell are you doing? Get better at your game. I'm joking, no hate to Merlin. Honest, oh, this is so cool. Look! Oh, look at the little penguin. Oh. I've only been here for like, how long have I been here, Dan?
About 5 minutes. I
have come to the conclusion it's the best well-kept theme park in the UK. Like, even all the Merlin parks, none of them are like this. Like, look.
Take a seat.
Right. What are we discussing today, Daniel?
Well.
Take a seat.
No,
sit
across. It's time to ride all of the rides here. Where do you want to go first, Emmerlie?
What's the best ride?
Probably Storm Chaser.
Maybe we should go there.
The best themed area in the UK, and I know Forbidden Valley exists. That's better.
So, what are we doing all day today, Dan?
What are we doing all day?
Yeah.
The day at
what's
Park.
the lineup though?
Oh, the lineup. What is the lineup? Well, you've got tonight. We've got ERT in Storm Chaser's area, Tornado Springs. We've got a behind-the-scenes tour of some rides as well, and we've even got a silent disco.
No, Dan, you said it wrong.
What?
Hold the camera. It's a. Do you not get it?
Oh,
it's a silent disco.
It's like when you eat the chocolate bar whisper.
Yeah, exactly. I am Sam Costello.
His jokes are worse.
Thank you very much. So, I know we're at a theme park, but I will just say that the animal enclosures are so good here because there's not that many animals and the enclosures are like a fairly big size. So, I love that. Look at the little lemurs. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, and this is what I mean by how big the enclosures are. Like
it's gonna fall off.
Oh, like if you look, there's only a few of them. There might be one or two hiding, but there aren't loads. And that's how big the enclosures are.
And there's some over there as well.
Was that English? Oh, there's some more over there.
Oh, he's climbing the rope.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh, he's going for a little stroll. Do you like Paultons Park? Oh, they're lovely. I love lemurs, if you can tell. We're going on Velociraptor, a little boomerang coaster, very, very cute. Sorry. What one? I feel like I should be like
I've
doing
already
this.
fallen out of my seat.
Fuck
me.
Bloody Nora!
Out of my seat.
Oh, the track! The track! Oh, we're going backwards. Oh, my lipstick! We've only just done that, but now we're going on this, and now I don't know what's happening. Dan, how?
The most stressful ride ever. It's got no wheels.
I prefer wrist mounts, and I've never even. Oh, bloody hell!
Round number 2.
Wait, what? I'm holding my chest mount as far out as I possibly can. Bloody hell! Oh, we're going again! It's the 3rd time! I didn't realise that this was the cred we were getting.
It's a nice little kiddie cred, I'd say. But sometimes I do like a kiddie cred.
So to sum up these two rides, because I didn't even realise that we were going straight onto this one. This one That one. It's alright. It's okay. Cred's a cred. Right, the next ride. We're going on the flight of the Petrosaur. They're really testing my knowledge because there's a T before the E and the R. This is actually the flight of the pterosaur, but I think it sounds better as flight of the Petrosaur because I am petrified to go on it.
Let me give you a bit of a fact, right? So this ride, do you remember, did you vlog Leesburg? You did, didn't you?
Yes.
And Groneland?
Yeah. No, I didn't film Groneland really.
You know the red suspended coaster at Groneland?
Yeah.
This is a clone of that.
Ah, I liked that ride. Well, I'm excited now because that's a good ride. That was the wrong hand. My chest mount's sort of dead, but it's okay. It's fine. Oh, this is a nice view, isn't it? It's weird how free you feel. That's so much more intense than I thought! This is so cute!
I'm swinging around! What a ride!
What a ride!
Here we go, this is the most intense part.
So I thought that was the best ride here, and now I'm even more English. I'm even more excited now for Storm Chaser.
You'll like Cobra as well, which we're going to now.
Apparently it's really rough.
No, it's not.
Dan's very anti it.
She's a liar.
Well, I don't know, I've not done it. We're going on Cobra. How exciting. There's a warning.
This is the side of the park that's very unthemed. It's very old.
Yeah, all of this area isn't as well themed as everything else so far, but it's because it's probably like the oldest area in the park, I assume. So look how cool the trains are though.
Ready for the first drop?
I don't believe that. I think this is gonna hurt.
Yeah!
Oh, that's not
It's so good. Go! Whoa!
Okay, maybe it's a little bit.
Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa! Whoa! Here we go! Yeah! Here we go, airtime after airtime, Hill.
Oh, I didn't see the camera! I think Dan just nearly got his head chopped. Felix! Chef's kiss that one.
So good, man.
I actually thought that was incredible. I think that's going to be better than Storm Chaser. You know what? I am going to be controversial. I'm starving, Dan, but it's not even midday.
Would you like a shot of me eating a crisp?
Just to make you even more hungry.
I didn't think I'd fit in it.
The wheels on the bus.
This is content.
Should I get a front door shot?
It's because I'm just small. No, there's a button. I'm actually starting a new F1 team. My lord. I'm sorry for my language. This is epic. Look how sick. This is... We're confused. That's the ride I'm most excited for today. It looks so good. I'm so excited. Everyone says that it's incredibly intense, but so far I don't understand it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'm just being a negative Nancy. Now is my time. I'm so excited. It's very sunny. This looks so cool. I think they want someone called Ben.
Such a lovely view. Here we go.
Oh my lord, we're going backwards. Oh, this is my first ever ride. so good. Dan, what did you think of that?
Oh, it's so good.
That was insane. I love that. 10 out of 10, best ride here. That's beautiful, and this area is stunning. I mean, it's definitely not in like my top. I mean, maybe in the UK it's actually my top 5 or 6, to be fair. But I know. Well, this isn't actually a coaster, but I know what will be in my top 5. Cyclonator. I'm actually very excited. Dan, are you excited?
Well, my shoulders are in a tad bit of pain right now. But I should be honestly.
Good. Good. So far, I'm not feeling sick. So far, I'm living my best life. My best life. Apparently, this is meant to be a longer cycle than Maelstrom.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Maybe I should look up.
This is it. This is it. You don't go any higher than this.
Slow down.
Yeah.
Why is it slowing down?
Uh-oh.
I think it's broke.
Oh, he's on the phone.
We have to pay for maintenance. Fantastic. Oh, you. This food is so good. These are like the best mac and cheese bites I've ever had. The theming in this place is so cool. Like, look at it. This is sick. I love it here. We're going on Farmyard Flyer.
I don't understand. I love it.
What are you doing?
It's like we're taking
Leonora. I'm Rory. You're Leona.
I don't like it.
How? I don't really understand.
Going on the bread.
I was wondering, what is that? And I think it's a horsefly, but it's for some reason got 6 legs. No. Yeah, no, I didn't film that because I want to leave it to your imagination. Cred to cred. So this is the main reason we've come here. This is so well themed. This is super cool. So I won't film on Splash Lagoon because it will probably break Dan's camera. Well, my camera. This looks so cool. And look at the dinosaur over there. What a queen.
What are your thoughts? So smooth.
This is sick. We're having a cheeky behind the scenes. Look how cool how all of this is. This is sick. And look, we can even charge our phones.
Which one's?
We're going on Magma.
You don't like it?
I don't even like drop towers.
I love it.
I mean, it's not a drop tower, is it? It's like a little croc. It's like a small croc drop. So that's fantastic. I honestly just thought I heard Chessington music. I've got Peppa Pig ears.
Dun, 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 dun.
My heart is so hard.
Oh, hey, little buddy.
Look. This is so cool. I bet this is a view you haven't seen before. You're welcome. I'm going to get copyrighted, so this is going to be quick. I love Amy Winehouse, but look, I've got a mug that lights up that says Paultons Park. Love that. This is so cool. We got some food. It's insane. I've already had the mac and cheese bites and the curly fries, and they are chef's kiss.
What's wrong with this thing? Hello? Hello? Ah, there you are. Dr. Kinley here, calling from the North Pole in pursuit of an elusive ice ghost. My spectral security systems back at my manor have detected some unusual activity. I've gathered a vast collection of apparitions for an exhibition, but it seems the ghost containment systems might be failing. I believe you, enthusiasts of theme park adventures, could be in the vicinity. I urgently need your eyes and wits. If you're near my manor, watch for any unusual ghostly goings-on. Stay alert and check ghostlymanor.co.uk for updates. It's here.
I don't know what's happening.
I'll tell you in the
So I didn't feel much at the party rave thing because of the fact I didn't want to get copyrighted. But we're walking past the currently under construction dark ride, shooter ride apparently, and all we can hear is this noise coming from the building. That's crazy. What do you look in there? Oh my god, that's actually really creepy. What?